Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics for Neet. Begin by strengthening your mathematical foundation, as physics heavily relies on concepts like calculus and vectors. Dedicate time to truly understand each topic's core principles, rather than just memorizing formulas. Utilize insert textbooks as your primary resource for building a strong conceptual base. This initial step is crucial for tackling more complex problems later on. Once you have a solid conceptual understanding, it's time for extensive problem solving. Practice a diverse range of numerical problems every day to improve your application skills. Carefully analyze solved examples to understand the different approaches and strategies. Make sure to identify and learn from your common errors, as this will significantly boost your accuracy and speed during exams. Regular revision is key to retaining information. Develop your own concise revision notes, summarizing important formulas and concepts for quick review. Start taking full-length mock tests frequently to familiarize yourself with the exam pattern and time constraints. After each test, thoroughly analyze your performance to identify specific topics where you need more practice and improvement. To optimize your preparation, prioritize high-weightage chapters that frequently appear in the Neet exam. Maintain a detailed error log to track all your incorrect attempts and understand the underlying reasons. This targeted approach helps you focus your efforts efficiently. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This smart vacuum offers voice control and is perfect for pet owners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.